Section 1.5, Number Line Subtraction. Subtraction on the number line is very much like addition on the number line, except that when you subtract, you move back to the left instead of moving to the right again. Example, compute 7 minus 4 on the number line. As always, we start from 0, we go over to 7, and this time to subtract 4, instead of moving 4 to the right, we move 4 to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see that we ended up at 3, so 7 minus 4 is 3. Example, compute 80 minus 30 on the number line. Notice that we've used a spacing of 10 because that number is convenient for this problem. So once again, we start at 0, we go over to 80, and then we need to go back 30. So starting from 80, 10, 20, 30. 80 minus 30 is 50. Section 1.6, One-Step Subtraction. One-step subtraction is a lot like one-step addition, except it's subtraction. Compute 12 minus 4. Again, the picture in our head, we go 12 this way, and then 4 back this way. The question is, where did we end up? 12 minus 4 is 8. Again, we're going to use our experience with numbers to do this calculation. 12 minus 4 is 8 should not require a lot of heavy calculation. Now at this point I want to make a side note about subtraction in columns. 12 minus 4. I have seen students do this. You can't take 4 from 2, so you have to borrow, and now you can do 12 minus 4 to get 8. But in the end they've actually just done the same calculation, 12 minus 4, both times. It's just that for this one they did a lot more work. Our goal is to move away from all this excessive writing and just get to the basic elements of what math is doing. Compute 100 minus 1. 100 minus 1 is 99. You should be able to see this because the number 99 is just to the left of 100 on the number line. And again, if we were to use borrowing to do this calculation, there would be a lot of extra work that just didn't need to be done. Example, compute 84 minus 30. 84 minus 30 is 54. Again, we're using your intuition about the place value system in order to do this calculation. Section 1.7, Two-Step Subtraction. In the same way that we use the place value to help us do two-step addition problems, we will do the same thing except for subtraction. Example, compute 97 minus 45. 97 minus 45. Now again, our basic intuition on the number line, here's 0, we go over to 97, and now we're supposed to go back 45 and figure out where we are. But instead of doing 45 in one step, we're going to do it in 2 steps. We're going to go 40 to the left and then 5 to the left. 97 minus 40 minus 5. 97 minus 40 is 57, and 57 minus 5 is 52. Example, compute 81 minus 32. 81 minus 32 is 81 minus 30 minus 2. 81 minus 30 is 51. We still have to subtract the 2. 51 minus 2 is 49. In this last step, you should not need to borrow to do 51 minus 2. We have broken this problem into simple enough pieces that the whole act of borrowing becomes excessive and unnecessary. Section 1.8, Mental Subtraction. Just as with mental addition, as you build more experience with numbers in this way, you can do subtraction problems much more quickly and much more easily. Compute 62 minus 21 mentally. 62 minus 21 is 62 minus 20 minus 1. 62 minus 20 is 42. 42 minus 1 is 41. Example, compute 73 minus 45 mentally. 73 minus 45. 73 minus 40 is 33. 33 minus 5 is 28. Again, these types of calculation will require some practice and some time and some effort, but if you make the adjustment, a lot of these calculations will become faster and simpler for you.